It's corn season, so I'm stocking up the freezer. But whenever I have a boring job like husking corn, I play a little game with myself and make it as fast and efficient as possible. So here is the absolute fastest and best method to shuck corn in just 4 moves in under 5 seconds per cob. 2 main areas we're going to focus on. One, the top, and the second, the bottom. And it works better if there's still a little bit of stem at the bottom here. So first you want to grab about 1/3 to 1/2 of it from the top. Okay? You're just going to pull that back. And when you get to the bottom, to that stem, you're going to break that stem off. Okay? Now we're going to grab it back again from the top, getting all of the remaining husk, and we just pull it back, and you're all done. Now it might be a little bit of this silk hair left. Remove that if you like, or eat it. It's good for you. Let's see that one more time in real time. And you're all done. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.